think we're live. Yes. I just found out about Termux API. Termux dash API. I think it won't work, but yeah, I don't know. Let's clear that. So I have already SSH'd into my tablet, and I'm gonna try to first of all my plans are to show you the Termux API, and then to try to look at my binary recursive codes. So github.com. Uh, Basically, I don't think I have it here. I need to put it. No, I do have it actually. I do have it, but not the yeah. This is missing and this is missing. I don't know. I It did not work. That's the thing. It did not work. Okay, let's forget about this for now and just concentrate on the Termux API. So let us. So, for example, if my device, my mobile or tablet device, was not in my room, for example, I could access it. First of all, I could access it anywhere with SSH, and also I could basically Termux API application program interface allows me to get access to sensors in the computer not in the computer, in the device, Android tablet, any device in fact. For example, if I show battery, I think it's battery. No, status. It's gonna take a while. Even on the tablet, if I run Termux directly on the tablet without SSH, it takes a while because I don't know why. Because it might be it's trying to access like core functions of the device because I had to give it permission. I had to give it all permissions. I don't normally give camera access, for example, perm on my phone, any applications camera access except for the camera. But here I have given Termux access and everything. It's gonna take a while. Yeah, better be doing something good. Let's try this. Control. Okay, control. So select folder. No, let us wait. Test.py. Control B. Reload required. Okay, I'm gonna reload it. That was pretty quick. I think I'm gonna do another one. Test 1.5. So we have our array. Let it be 1, 2, 3. I don't know it by heart. I need to look for the recursive 4 and 5, for example. So we have our search value. Let's put our search for value is equal to ent input. No, it's a simple one. I'm trying to do a simple one. For example, 3, 2. Yeah, I asked for user here. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to do it quickly. So def binary underscore search. This is the main. It's a recursive, so not gonna write everything. We have our array or list. It should appear. It should not take this long. This should not take this long. Okay, let it be. Search our search for value. Then we have this. So then we have a return binary search. Binary search. I'm gonna call this calc because we're gonna perform a calculation. So we have to pass in our array 0. I'm not sure. Length of array AR minus 1, and then the search value. Is it good? I think it is. No, it's 2. Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. So let me alt set this, alt z, and then I will use the find. I'm sorry, I will use the find. And then we have another the calculation one. Underscore search score cal. Why is it not showing? So we have our array. We have lower. We have upper, and then we have our search underscore value. I don't know why is it not working. I'm touching my tablet. Oh, now it works when I unlock my phone. What? It should work normally. So health is good, unblocks, it's charging, yes. And then temperature is 28. It does actually move when I was using it and testing Thermox API on the tablet itself. It was 29 point, a lot of decimals, like a lot of decimals. Oh, current. I fixed in milliamps. Oh, it shows you the current. Negative sign because it's discharging, but oh well. Yeah. For example, now I want to do what can you do? We can do a Wi-Fi search. Thermux. No, I'm not gonna reveal. I'm not gonna reveal Wi-Fi location or Wi-Fi names. So what are we gonna say? What can we do? Let's try to bring up the wiki. Thermux API. Yeah, try to do it. API. Yes. Yeah, we can change the brightness also. We can take a photo. For example, let's try. The tablet does not have a torch. Uh, let's try. For example, right now, let's try sensors. Where were they? Sensor. Thermux dash sensor. Thermux dash sensor. What do you mean? Oh yes. All dash A. No, no. Dash L. See, I have all these type of sensors in my thing. We could also do uh I'm gonna do it now. The thing. Yes, I can also change the brightness. I can take I'm gonna try to do it. Thermux dash camera dash info. Right now, let's do that. Let's put this here. Okay, it's already it's when it's on. The tablet is actually on right now, and it's on Thermux. It's quite fast. But if I minimize Thermux and then I lock the tablet, it does a bit. It's a bit weird. Okay, I'm gonna try to take a photo with the back camera. here you can see back, and then this is 0. So basically, let's do to storage slash shared slash DCIM slash camera. Let's take a camera, termux dash camera dash photo dash C. So we're taking a photo with the back camera. So it's gonna be 0, I think. Was it 0? Yeah, it's 0. 0, and then we can name the file. For example, test.jpeg should should take a photo. I I hope it did not capture my face. It said back camera there. So I have term image installed. So it's pointing at a white wall. What is it gonna give me? See, it locked the device. Okay. Once I turn on the device there, it immediately showed the result. So basically, I can take a an image. I can I did not touch it. I used this, and it's pointing at the wall right now. So the quality is not that bad. It's not bad at all. In fact, term image processes the because it's running inside the terminal. I think that's why, and it's not displaying out like showing me like a pop up or something. Uh, how do I explain that? It's not like me browsing through uh like this is a photo and I can double click on it and then Windows Media Player or something like that or VLC just opens. It's running inside the terminal, and I think that's because of the capacity of the terminal. I don't know. I don't know. But there we go. We did take a photo with the application device. I have not touched the others. I mean, I have touched. I don't know. We could download. What do you mean download a resource using the system manager? Download manager. Okay, I don't know how to use that because I don't think it's gonna download from Google Play Store or something. You have to like import it. I don't know from a website, but I don't have anything to download right now. Okay, we can do microphone record also. I don't have. I can try to do it right now, but I don't think it's gonna work. CD recording. Can't type today. So I need to remove. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yes. So am dash f sh dash gpt. So ls have now good CD recording. Then we have nothing in here. Yes. So we could termux dash microphone dash record code dash f. So we are giving this basically recording a name, and then we are also going to make a limit. So we are giving it a limit of maybe 10 seconds. Let's see how you do it. So yes, start recording a specific file and then you put the limit in seconds. I'm gonna go for 10 seconds. Should be recording. I'm gonna again wait. So it has already recorded. I don't have I can't play it right now. I'm just gonna try to play it from my tablet itself and hope that you can hear it. I don't think you can hear it. Yeah, it did record. I don't know if you heard that, but it did record, and I just deleted that, so it should take immediate effect. Yeah, that is what I wanted to show. Basically, I'm gonna exit the Termux tablet. Yeah, it's cool what you can do. Basically, you can. It's not intended for malicious purposes. I mean, not malicious, but like, uh, how do I say? Malicious. How can I mean, you could technically connect your phone to SSH into your phone, and then put it somewhere else, or like you forgot your phone in a friend's house, or maybe I mean, could happen. Then you try to SSH, I mean, you already SSH into the phone, so get information about what you're talking about. There might be application that can how to access MP3 inside Linux terminal. Let's try. How to play? Yeah, you see, there is oh Termux, for example. There is yeah, not videos. I mean, T-Play. It's called T-Play or SM Play. I mean, there's a lot. There's or it's just Play. I mean, you get the point. Basically, I could have played it, but nevertheless, let's continue about this. I need to look at it. I forgot. Yes, lower meaning that upper you will return false. Else we do if no we calculate our mid value. Mid is equal to uh, lower plus upper divided by 2 divided by 2 if array mid is equal to search value return mid, else if array is it greater than, it's greater than, then we have to lower. Yes, if array mid, not like square bracket is greater than lower user, no, it's not user here, search value, then we have to return. Do we have to return it? Yeah, we have to return binary calc array lower. Is it calc? Yes, calc. See, I forgot. I need to uh is it mid minus one? I forgot. I need to continue learning about it. Else we return binary search calc array upper, and then mid plus one, and then the search value, and then I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. Let's try to run it. Print binary search main. We have to pass in our argument search value. Will it work? That is the question. I tried to do something different, but it did not work, so I'm doing something different. I could have just copied the code here. I'm such a dumb boy. But oh well. Control J, not G. CD Python. Okay, we already have this. And then try to Python test 1.py. It works. It works. Now, if I do this, so mid is equal to, so if I do result, result is equal to binary search main, no, main, and then we pass in the arguments array and then search value, and then we say if result is not equal to false, print print so search value, wait, search in str search search value plus has been found at, so plus again, and then we put integer, not integer, str mid. It's mid. But first of all, we have to do mid is equal to binary search calc, and then we pass our arguments. Oh, I think this is a mistake I did. Let's try. So lower and then upper. No, is it was it zero? Yeah, zero. Zero and then len of our AR minus one. I don't think it this. I think the original would have worked, but I don't know what happened. Search value. Okay, print mid else we do print, so uh, did did not found did not find what? The value. Value. Okay. So basically let's try to run that again. It has been it worked. What if I tried 0? Then I run it again. Did not find. What is this? Please enter number to find. So 0. But why did it? Yeah, why did it return this? Oh, I'm such a fool, mate. Obviously, it's gonna return this. Oh my flipping god, bro! Are you kidding me? All this time, it was good. All this time, it was good, and I was just lying to myself. 0, 9, not found. Yeah, it's obviously not gonna find it. And I'm gonna do it again. So 8. It works. Why? Why did that? No way, bro. Oh my god. So I just need to copy paste basically. Obsidian, where are you? So tuition, not tuition, and then pay for Python, and searching out in binary. Uh, binary search recursive. I don't normally write code this way, but I normally write code this way. The thing is, uh, I don't know what happened. What happens when I copy from VS Code and I just send it to Python? Sorry, not Python. Obsidian. It does a bunch of space, then it does like this, and then again, I don't know. So I'm just gonna do. I hope that it gets the it adds spaces. Let's see. You'll see what I mean. See, it adds spaces. So now I don't have to add a lot of I do like this. So I do like this. Very good English we have. Very good English. So here we can add a space. We can do this. I think I'm gonna. What? How did I do? Uh, we okay. We did like this. So we need to actually remove. We need to remove this and then remove this. Did I leave two spaces? There's a bunch of space. I'm gonna leave Control Z, like so. Basically, you do all of this. Uh, Good. That's good. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna copy this. Control C. Delete. Delete this also. Okay. So this was supposed to be the example for the arrays of the values. Yeah, this is a normal one. And Control C. Spaces here, and then Control V. So this should be about the thing only. How do you say that? The this part only. It will not run the. I should. Yeah, it will not run on its own. So this is the recursive Control C, Control V. So yeah, bind binary search function slash procedure. It's a function because it returns only one value, only one statement. Like it's returning either print this or that. So I'm gonna ditch the procedure. I mean, you could also say procedure, but a procedure returns if, can return one thing. It can return many things. It can also not return anything. But a function will return a thing or will not return a thing. Whereas procedure might return, you know, or it might return many things. Yeah, so I have to basically do all of this again. Why did I do that? I'm sick, bro. That's why I'm doing this. So we put this here, and then we need to pass in our two arguments also. We take this, and then we paste it here. It is good. Then I can close this, and I can then put this. No, first of all, I need to go here, go to the D drive, and then computer science, and then computer programming, Python learning, and then we could remove. So basically, you hold control, and then you click, and then you can delete it. Okay, we can delete So control Windows M and then right click on the recycle bin and add the recycle bin. After that, you press Control E, which brings up the Windows Explorer. You put it to the side by pressing Windows and the arrow clusters, and then press Enter here to bring up the Opera, the browser. I'm gonna delete this. I should not. I'm gonna delete this. Deleting this because deleting no markdown down. It's not markdown. It's markdown. It's markdown. Notes. Note. Adding adding finished note. Commit changes, and then we could say add file and upload files. Should have chosen. No worries, no worries. I'm gonna show you how I do. So Obsidian Vault, and then if I want to go back, I press Alt and back on my arrow key. I hope you can see the TVs thing. So if I want to go in here, press main Vault, and then we go for school level tuition, computer science, paper 4 notes, and then Python. It's the searching algorithm, and then we just drag and drop, drag. So adding a improve, adding improved improved version of commit changes, and we have committed change. It's basically the same thing, but better. Hey, 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 better. We could also do this. Oh, it scrolls both. I did not know that. I don't think it supports. Yeah, it doesn't support. But hyperlinks, it supports links, and doesn't support the warning. It just shows that this is uh, yeah, this is VS Code. Is I can you can highlight wherever you want, and it will show you where you have highlighted. See the cursor moved, and then the cursor moves, and again the cursor moves. If I point here, you have control click. It's nice, but Obsidian is better, I think. And I mean, I should be running the Vim emulation, but I want to. I have not learned Vim. I'm not Neo Vim or Vim motions yet. Basically, I'm still in the process of learning it. So for me, I just want to be. My primary is obviously Neo Vim, but as I am still learning it, and I'm not forcing myself to learn it. Basically, I can always switch back if I want to, but I will learn it. I'm trying to make like VS Code becomes like quick just code editing or code writing. I should have like the because you have to go into the terminal and then launch nvim, then you know what I mean. But for like quick editing, I will always be using VS Code. Okay, I'm sorry, should not have clicked there. So let's try to see if it works. Python and then the search. Yes, search. And now we have our recursive. Yay! Now I don't know what to do. Should be continuing my but I'm gonna go to sleep early today. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. This quick session. I think I will come back in October now. After October, like maybe maybe November or December. Yeah, thank you for watching. Skip and then we end the live.